Hey YouTube, it's Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, here with a very quick Audacity tutorial. This one is by request for Joseph Mullen, who left a comment on my one of my other Audacity tutorials, and he wanted to know how you could do a panning effect on a car driving by or something like that. And what I mean by that is going from left to right or right to left. So what I did here is dragged a car sound effect. Let's just play it back. Okay, and it's a stereo file right now. And so this is actually quite easy to do. What we're going to do first is we're going to click here in this little drop down arrow. And then we're going to go to split stereo to mono. So now we have two mono tracks. We're going to pan this one all the way right and this one all the way left. Next, what we're going to do is select this tool right here, the envelope tool. You can either press F2 on your computer or just click it. And now what we're going to do is click about halfway through the file, like right here, and then in the beginning. And now we're going to lower this about right. No, it's being so crazy like that, but let's zoom in a little bit. Might make it a little easier. Okay, so there we go. And then we're going to click where that one ends. That envelope ends. And then we're going to click towards the end of this one. And then we're going to pan that out. And let's just lengthen a little bit. Okay, so what's happening here, let me zoom back out, is basically one volume is panning out when the other one is panning in. So let me just rewind it and play it back, and you hear how it sounds. And there you go. Pans from right to left. And if you want to do left to right, you just do it the opposite. You can make it pan a little bit longer by changing these envelopes. Let's try this. And that sounded a little more realistic that time. But yeah, that's how you do it. So pretty easy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this educational and helpful. Sorry I haven't had a lot of uploads this week. I've actually had some computer problems that I've been dealing with. So getting that sorted out now, and I figured I'd just make this quick video as something just to get a new upload and to answer a viewer's question. So anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.